Hi guys. Well, absolutely gorgeous day today. And I thought, I need to share something that I absolutely love about condo living. And that is, I don't have to garden. Yes, well, okay, so this is a very individual thing. There are going to be a lot of people like me, and there are going to be a lot of people about my girlfriend, who I'm going to talk about in a minute. We've actually been staying at her place for about the last month, and it's because she's got a mini park here. And everything is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. And the reason it looks this way is because gardening is her passion. This is what she loves to do, and the reason it's so beautiful is because she is so passionate about it. Me, I get really passionate May 1st, 2nd, 3rd, or get that car over to the nursery, get some really nice pots, put them on my patio, and I'm done. I'm not very good at it, gardening, so these pots really work. Now, we're on the ground floor for the first time ever, and one of the bylaws that we have is, should it be like somebody like my girlfriend would go, oh, well, I can garden, I can look at all this space I have. Nope, not allowed. It's in the bylaws that you cannot plant anything beyond your little square concrete patio. So make sure that if this is something you love, or your husband loves to do it, it's a passion that you have. Find out what the rules are. Don't assume that if you're seeing all this green that you're going to be able to garden. It's just not going to happen. And the other reason that we love it is that we both, not the gardening part, but not having to garden, we love it when the guy comes in and mows the lawn and does all of that stuff, is that we travel a fair amount. So I clean the place, put the blinds down, shut off the water, and set the alarm, and off we go. And we want to be gone for a couple of months or 3 months. It's not a worry. And of course that cannot happen for my girlfriend, because look at, we're here. So really give that some thought if you're ready to give up a hobby that you absolutely love to do and you're moving into a condo and that you can live. I mean, some people do beautiful stuff on their patios with planters and all of that, but then remember, once you're on the 2nd and 3rd or 4th floor, you got to worry about the water thing. It's got to be self-contained, it can't be dripping. So give that some thought. I'm going to show you her beautiful garden, what it looks like, and yeah, it's if it's your passion, you need to think 2 or 3 times, or your husband's, because you know what? It's a hard thing to give up if you love it. Take care, guys. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. If you have any questions or want to share something, please put it down below. And yeah, see you next week. Bye.